Good morning guys and welcome back to the lid shop. So today I'm gonna be putting back together the S13 with the SR20. The head gasket is already in. I already did that with Anthony so that the engine is closed and the head is on. So today I'm gonna assemble the head. We're gonna put all the manifolds back on, all the other little shit that is on a stock SR20. I really hate these engines when they're stock because the manifolds are a bitch. So yeah, we're gonna do that today, and as you can see over there, I didn't make a video about it, I just did it in time that I had, and both the cross member thingy and the subframe are painted and welded. I did some welding on there to make it stronger than it is originally. So yeah, I welded, painted, put a big plate into here. Already did this bar a year ago, but plated it so it's even stronger. Painted it. I plated the lower control arms so that it is stronger and painted. So yeah, it's coming together, but that is not what we are going to be working on today. We're going to be working on this one. And Anthony, the judge himself, did some paint on his calipers for the Volvo, and I really love it. This yellow, it's not coming on camera like it is supposed to be. It is a bit darker in real life, but I really like the look of it and it's really smooth. But the idiot that I am, I was doing the clear coat yesterday evening at 2 AM. And I had a little bit of a run because he had paint that I had never used before, and I wanted to take out the run with a trick that I learned from Colette when she was painting her Corvette, her C6, in really cool colors, but she had a run and she used the little tape trick to put some masking tape on the run, and then you tear it off, then you spray over it and it's good again. Well, I tried it and this paint is a little bit different. I took off all the paint. So yeah, wanting to take off a run and took off the paint on the front of the caliper, so I already sanded it down and we're gonna spray this one again, but the other ones look really mint. So yeah, I think Anthony is gonna like how this is gonna look on the Volvo. Alright, so we got the crank on top dead center, and I don't know if you can see it over there, but we got 6 little dots on the crank pulley, and the 5th one is top dead center, so it's on top dead center. And I already, come on folks, man, I already put on the gears to make sure that the camshafts are roughly in the right position, so we're not gonna bend some valves on the pistons. Now we can take them back off, put the little guide for the chain up here, put the chain on, put the gears on, and then make sure it's nice on time, and then we can put it back together and close the whole thing and never think about it again, and make sure it never comes back.
That's right.
Are you happy with your calipers?
Not yet. They're not on yet.
Yeah, but they look cool, man.
They do.
I'm really excited for how they're gonna look on the red Volvo. I think it's gonna look great. So yeah, let's time this bitch. And this is exactly why I hate... Can you stop? Could you not? Please, sir, could you not? Dumbass. God damn it! So this is why I hate an SR20, because there's nothing easy to reach, and I need to put on the little water neck that goes on the head, but you have got no room at all. So yeah, we got my little swingy, medingy, finger bender, crush your knuckles kind of thing. And I hope I can get it on so we can put back the upper part of the intake thingy. Alright, so now the fun part. We need to fasten the bolts from the camshafts, and we need to fasten them to 150 Newton meters, that is 115 foot-pounds of torque. So that's gonna be fun because you need to hold it with a little wrench, and yeah, it's gonna be tight. So let's see if we can do it. Let's break your hand in two. Okay, I'm gonna release it. Here it comes. Right, second. Oh, wait, I need a long one. I need a long socket. Because S20 sucks! Fuck, that's why I put a JZ in mine. Alright, here we go. Whoa, whoa. Right, we did it. Woo! So Charge Boy has the intake back on and the camshafts are tight. The timing chain is on. I just need to put the tensioner in there and then it should be good. And we got the fan on because it's hot in here because the sun is finally shining again. So yeah, doing some stuff, having fun. Just a typical Sunday. You happy? I don't know. Yeah. Alright, time for a little update because a lot of time has passed, but we done some stuff. So the engine, we didn't do a lot anymore. Everything is just done as it is. Intake manifold is on, the camshafts are in, timing chain is good, it's tensioned. Yeah, we just need to put the valve cover on and do some other stuff. Valve cover is drying over there because I cleaned it and I sanded it because the paint is damaged and I need to repaint it completely because it's not just the clear coat, it's the golden spray paint itself that's cracked. But right now I'm painting my diff. It's going to be black on the top and silver on the end piece, so it looks nice and clean. And I'm cleaning my rear subframe over here because it's rusted really bad. So yeah, that's nothing. I already did the top half with that thing over there and I had some fun with my exhaust hanger because it's blue. Yeah, looks like I killed a smurf. But the rust is really bad, so I'm taking it all off and then I'm gonna see if I can reinforce the subframe a little bit because I don't think it is as strong as it could be. So that's what I'm doing and it's just taking a lot of time. And I'm getting really dirty, so I don't know how far I'm gonna get today because tomorrow it's Monday and I need to work again. So I'm not gonna make it really late because last night I slept 4 hours or 5 hours, so yeah, it's not a lot. So I don't know how far I'm gonna get, but just look at this. We got the steering rack in, painted that also, so it looks really nice. Painted little spots where the wooden blocks were and we moved the lift over there. So we could put everything in and then next week when the engine is done we can put it in, hook up everything. I can already do the brake booster, the clutch cylinder, some wiring stuff. So yeah, lots to do, not a lot of time, so I'm gonna get going again. Subframe is done, but man, it's hot. It's really hot. Well, I think I'm done for the day. I got the two camber arms for the rear painted, I got the diff painted, I got the valve cover for the SR20 painted, and that one is clean, so I can weld it tomorrow and then paint that and put it on the car. And yeah, made quite good progress today. I think it's quite a short video, but I don't know. We've done a lot and it doesn't seem like we've done a lot, and I don't know if you guys have that too, but I think everybody has those kind of days that you don't feel like you've done much, but you did a lot of stuff anyway. You just don't see the progress really good. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed anyway, and we'll pick up in the next vlog with the SR20 and the underside of my car. And I noticed that a lot of guys aren't subscribed, so it helps me out a lot if you just subscribe. You don't have to watch every video, it would be nice if you did. So just press the button down here, it takes 2 seconds and it helps me out a lot. So like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to brush your teeth. I'll see you guys at the next one.